and gentlemen.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we actually have a 2019 Heritage break tonight. We got 12 of them, but it's Bowman Heritage. But yeah, I always want to put 2019. This is easier to ship. Satriano for the Red Sox. Tom Satriano. Per box refractors, maybe, I don't know, 3. Marwin Gonzalez short print. Not very many. Red Sox Bush. Amir Garrett short print. He retired when they gave him a beeper. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I think my dad said that this was early afternoon before it was completely done, but I think he said he lost about $300,000. Not just today, but you know, this month. Don't mess up the video table. Disney. Sean Newcomb. Was today's video the one that ended with the last pack having the auto? If so, I seen it. Christian Vasquez. Jose Ramirez. A little bit of red there. Hank Aaron. I'm actually designing a mat. Phil didn't offer me one. He was like, the hell with you. Get your own mat. So, I got a friend. He's helping me design it. I love the camera. It's fantastic. I think you're a show-off, to be honest. That's a great camera. I've got a nice camera. It's sitting right here next to me. I'm going to hook it up one of these days, and then you'll see. Lucas Giolito. Right, that's pretty funny. Fletcher, David Fletcher. Gavin, nice card. That's a nice card right there. I'll pay for your box. Gavin Lux, very, very nice. Yes, it was very, very, very much better. Thanks, man. Strasburg and Jenkins, appreciate it. I'm going to try to hit you guys a red ink auto in here so that we can have something to talk about. Starling Marte. Now that is crazy rare right there. Doesn't look like it, but that's a crazy rare hit. You can go a dozen cases not hit one of those. Michael Conforto, 41 out of 71. It's a really nice card. I got some of that coming. OPC Platinum. Yeah, that's a good idea, seeing as we're already on 3, right? You know what? I'm just gonna eliminate that entirely. I'm not doing too good with the whole. So this is a really good card. Mets, congratulations. This is actually an even better card. The Dodgers, congratulations. This is a traditional hit. And yeah, that's all I got to really say about that. So, yeah. That's funny, Royals. I didn't even consider that. Everybody's going to be cleaning their house. All right, so this was 3. Okay. Finito on 3. The Lux is a really nice card. Very, very nice. Saving your video. How long was that video? 6 minutes. That's not bad. Not bad.